In the 2026 Beijing Robot Marathon, Honor's robots swept the podium, taking gold, silver, and bronze. Their championship team finished in just 50 minutes and 26 seconds, second place at 50 to 56, and even third place came in at 53 to 1. And here's the key. All of them completed the race using fully autonomous navigation. Now compare that to the first robot marathon in 2025. The winning time back then was 2 hours and 40 minutes. That means this year's performance improved by 110 minutes, nearly doubling the speed. And here's the most shocking part. Honor's winning time has already surpassed the human half-marathon world record of 57 minutes and 20 seconds. Yes, you heard that right. Robots are now running faster than humans. Hard to believe, right? Some people might be wondering, how exactly are the rankings calculated? Why didn't the first team to cross the finish line win? That comes down to the competition rules. There are two categories: autonomous navigation and remote controlled. The final results are weighted. Autonomous navigation, coefficient 1. Remote controlled, coefficient 1.2. The first team to cross the finish line was actually the remote controlled team Beijing with a raw time of 48 to 19. But after applying the weighting, their final time became around 57 minutes. Meanwhile, all three of Honor's teams competed in the autonomous category, so their raw times were their final times. That's how they secured the top 3 spots, beating the weighted remote-controlled result by nearly 7 minutes. The intention behind this rule is pretty clear: to encourage breakthroughs in autonomous navigation. Remote control means someone is guiding the robot from behind. Autonomous navigation, on the other hand, truly tests a robot's ability to make decisions on its own. And this time, Honor made the right call. They fully committed to autonomous navigation and dominated the podium. That strategy? Absolutely brilliant. So what makes Honor's Lightning robot so powerful? I'd say there are 4 key advantages. First, liquid cooling. This is the most critical factor. Think about it. Running a 2-1 kilometer half marathon generates a massive amount of heat in the motors. Without proper cooling, overheating would reduce performance or even shut the system down. Honor uses a high-power liquid cooling system with a flow rate of over 4 liters per minute, keeping the motor temperature stable at around 31.5 degrees Celsius. That's the sweet spot for peak performance. With heat under control, the robot can maintain high speed throughout the entire race. Second, the power system. The robot's joint torque exceeds 200 Newton meters kg, and its battery energy density reaches 400 watt-hours per kilogram. That means strong output and enough endurance to finish the full 21 kilometers without slowing down. Third, motion control. Honor developed a high dynamic motion system that allows the robot to handle complex terrain, uphill, downhill turns, even small obstacles, while staying stable and avoiding falls. In a marathon, stability is everything. One fall, and your race is over. Fourth, design. The robot stands at 169 centimeters and features a streamlined, mech-style body. This reduces air resistance and also improves heat dissipation, balancing performance with aesthetics. If you really think about it, liquid cooling is the true game changer. No matter how good the other technologies are, without solving the heat problem, the robot simply can't finish the race, let alone perform well. Honor identified this bottleneck and solved it, unlocking the full potential of everything else. Beyond the results, the industry implications are huge. In 2025, the completion rate was only 30%. This year, it jumped to 90%. That's a massive leap in technological maturity. Also, autonomous teams made up nearly 40% of participants this year, up significantly from last year. More teams are now prioritizing autonomous navigation. Right now, humanoid robotics is approaching its own ChatGPT moment. Just like ChatGPT sparked an explosion in large language models, humanoid robots are reaching a critical tipping point. Events like robot marathons are accelerating this process, driving performance, adoption, and real-world applications. So, to sum it up, why did Honor dominate the podium? Strong technology, liquid cooling, power systems, and motion control. Smart strategy, fully committing to autonomous navigation. Team execution. 3 teams, 0 mistakes. Looking ahead, will robots run even faster? Will they completely surpass human athletes? Honestly, that seems inevitable. As technology improves, robots will only get faster and more stable. It wouldn't be surprising if, in a few years, robots outperform humans even in full marathons. But there's no need to worry. The beauty of human athletes isn't just speed, it's the spirit, the determination, the emotion. And that's something robots can never replace. That's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.